Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So right here, guys, we're going to demonstrate on a 2016 Ford F-150 where the sunshade fuse could be located. We have two different fuse boxes on your truck. One is under the hood, guys, right behind the carburetor, and if you open that fuse box, you're going to see that you have fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, impossible to find, or really overpriced, expensive at parts stores. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spares from at a good price and quick shipping as well. So the fuse, guys, that we're going to need is actually, let me show you, located inside your cabin. That's the passenger compartment right here in the footwell by that kick panel. If you remove that cover right here, you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like this one. And when we open the fuse box, okay, it will look like that. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse, guys, for the sunshade now. We're going to zoom in here so you can clearly see what we're talking about. We're going to come on the very left side and we're going to see numbers 23, 4, 5. Then those are not so visible, but here is 26, 27, 28, 29. So the fuse for the sunshade will be fuse number 27, so that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That fifth fuse, guys, in a row. Okay, that 30 amp fuse right here. Check this one if yours doesn't close. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.